Hey everyone, welcome to the Action Datatel Quick Security Tip. We're going to talk about Password Safe today, which is a password manager. If you head over to pwsafe.org, it runs on Windows, Android, and Apple. Right now they are in beta on the Linux version. Nevertheless, we're going to demo the download for the Windows version today. The purpose of a password manager, of course, is to create a single, secure, strong, password safe password, or also known as a combination. And then you use that to log into your password safe, and that's where you store all your other usernames and passwords for all your accounts, for banking, for premium websites, for email, Netflix, whatever. That way you have unique user ID and password for every account. Go over to the password safe download the installer, save the installer, and then go ahead and run the installer. Now we've already done this, so I'm just going to demo how that works. When you open it up the first time, it's going to ask you to create a new safe. So you just want to create a new password safe, and you can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Demo 99, and I'm going to save that. And once you've saved it, then it's going to ask you to create a new combination. Now this is going to be a password that you're going to want to remember. Write it down, store it in a safe place, like in a safe, a real safe, a physical safe, or somewhere in your wallet even is okay. But then, of course, if you lose your wallet, someone will have access to your password safe. But you can change the combination to your safe. So we've put a password in there. Now we're going to create a new account, and you can just right-click anywhere in the white space and create new entry. You can also add a group. A group is something like you might want to separate personal from business, or websites from email accounts, or whatever. So I'm just going to add a new entry, and I'm going to create a new group called Personal Mail. And then this one's going to be my Gmail account. And if you want, you can actually put something meaningful in there, like the actual email address. And I'll just put that in. So that's my email address, and my username is going to be that@gmail.com. And of course, now there's a couple ways to do passwords here. You could highly recommend that you generate a password so that you have a unique password that is complex. You can set the complexity requirements in here by up here on the password policy tab. You can use their default password policy, or you can create your own, increase the length of the characters. You can choose not to use symbols. I recommend just use the default, but if you want to get more secure, increase the password length. Some sites will only let you go to so long of passwords, so keep that in mind. So I want to go back to this basic part of the entry here, and I want to be able to save this, but I'm going to use a password that I previously created, and then I'm going to put the URL for Gmail in here. Okay, so now that we have the personal mail account created in our password safe, I can show you how to use password safe to actually log into the website. One way you can do that is you can right-click on the icon for that particular entry. So the Joe1Smith email account at gmail.com. If I right-click on that and I click Browse to URL, it's going to open up the actual Gmail login page. And now I can do a couple of things. One is I can click over here, and so I can click on this, and I can actually hover here, drag this image to another window to paste the username field. So I just highlight, click, drag, and it automatically pastes the name in there. Now I click Next, and I can do the same thing with the password. Click, drag, drop the password in there, and now I can sign into the Joe Smith account. Pretty simple. I don't recommend that you remember these in your browser, because browser cache is easy to dump and somebody can grab that. So you can click No Never for that. Don't want to lock that account. Okay, bang, now I'm into my Google account. Always log out from accounts so that nobody can hack you. Well, that's a basic showing of the password safe. Of course, you can right-click, add another entry. You can save that entry. Boom, just like that. There's your test. But that's all for now. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the password safe password manager. Highly recommend that you get that installed and start using it right away. Get rid of the sticky notes, guys. Hey, see you on the next video.